Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. So second problem of power series solution is find series solution of 1 minus x square into d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. So here first we have to take ordinary point. So what is the value of p0 of x here means if we compare this with p0 of x d2y by dx square plus p1 of x into dy by dx plus p2 of x into y equal to 0, then p0 of x is 1 minus x square. So using this we can write p0 of 0 is 1, again not equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 0 is ordinary point. Therefore x equal to 0 is ordinary point of equation 1. Equation 1 means that is given linear differential equation. And if x equal to 0 is ordinary point, then we can take solution of that differential equation is y is equal to summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak x raised to k. Now in this differential equation, if we take y equal to this, then we want again dy by dx and d2y by dx square. So from y find its derivative. So first derivative is dy by dx is equal to summation of in dy by dx k starts from 1 ak, derivative of x raised to k is k into x raised to k minus 1. Then if we differentiate again, then we will get d2y by dx square. D2y by dx square is equal to summation of k starts from 2 to infinity in d2y by dx square. ak keep as it is, k into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2. And now put the values of y, dy by dx and d2y by dx square in given differential equation. And therefore given differential equation becomes coefficient of d2y by dx square is 1 minus x square given a. So 1 minus x square into value of d2y by dx square is summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak into k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2 minus x into dy by dx. The value of dy by dx is summation of k varies from 1 to infinity ak into x raised to k minus 1 and plus 4 into y summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x to the power k equal to 0. So same as last problem. Before that, first split this 1 minus x square, two terms are given here. So if you multiply this one inside, then this can be written as summation of k varies from 2 to infinity 1 into this ak k minus 1 x to the power k minus 2 minus x square into this, that is summation of k varies from 2 to infinity ak k minus 1, this x square into x to the power k minus 2, that is x to the power k minus 2 plus 2 means k, minus summation of this series k varies from 1 to infinity x into this, that is ak k x to the power k minus 1 into x is x to the power k, and plus last one is 4 into summation of k varies from 0 to infinity ak into x to the power k equal to 0. Now observe here again, we want x to the power k, and here in this series k starts from 0, here k starts from 1, here k starts from 2, here also k starts from 2. So when we get here x to the power k, if we put in first series, if we put k is equal to m plus 2, means then we will get here x to the power m. So m plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. Here also already x to the power k present is, so here also x to the power k, here also x to the power k. So in remaining three series put k equal to m only, means only replace k by m, and therefore in first series summation of here k starts from 2. So if you take k equal to 2, then again 2 get cancelled, so m starts from 0 to infinity ak means k equal to m plus 2, so am plus 2 into m plus 2 into m plus 2 minus 1 is m plus 1 into x to the power m. So this is first series. minus summation of, here only replace because x raised to k already present a, so replace k by m only. M varies from 2 to infinity, am m minus 1 x to the power m. Next series minus summation of m varies from 1 to infinity, am m x to the power m, and plus 4 into summation of m varies from 0 to infinity, am x to the power m equal to 0. Now we have to equate the coefficient of x raised to m from LHS and RHS. But if you observe carefully this 4 series, in all 4 series only in first and last series m starts from 0. In remaining 2 series, here m starts from 1, here m starts from 2. So maximum m starts from 2, so we have to write in each series m starts from 2 to infinity. So we have to expand this series for m equal to 0, 1, then this series for m equal to 1, and this series for m equal to 0 and 1. So how we expand first series for m equal to 0? This series if we expand for m equal to 0, then we will get here a2 into 2 into 1, that is a2 into 2 into 1 into x raised to 0 is 1, plus for m equal to 1, for m equal to 1 this is a3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 2 into x, and plus for m equal to 2 we can write as it is, that is series m starts from 2 to infinity, am plus 2 m plus 2 into m plus 1 x to the power m, means this series. Okay, the next series is, in next series already m start हो रहा है 2 से, so keep as it is that series. So minus summation of m starts from 2 to infinity, right, this series as it is, am m into m minus 1 x to the power m. Then in third series, here m starts from 1s, but we want m from 2, so expand this series for m equal to 1 again. So minus m equal to 1 if you put here, then we will get a1 1x, means minus a1x, and for m equal to 2 we can write minus summation of m varies from 2 to infinity, am m x to the power m, plus last series, in last series again m starts from 0, so we have to expand this series for m equal to 0 and 1. So 4 into plus 4 into a0 x raised to 0, and plus for m equal to 1 4 a1x, and plus 4 into summation of m starts from 2 to infinity, am x to the power m equal to 0. So this is the expansion of this series. Now if we observe this step carefully, means equate the coefficient of constant term, then x to the power m from LHS and RHS. So if you observe here carefully, constant term is first 2a2 here, plus 4a0, equate this with 0 because in RHS constant term is 0. So 2a2 plus 4a0 is equal to 0. So we want a2 in terms of a0. So if we divide by 2 here, then this becomes a2 plus 2a0 equal to 0, and therefore a2 is equal to minus 2a0. So this is the value of a2. Then next one is equate the coefficient of x. So here this 3 into 2 is 6. 6a3 is the coefficient of x here. Then next one is plus 4a1x, plus 4a1, only plus 4a1, coefficient of x is 4a1, equate with 0. Here 4a, 6a, so if you divide by 2, then this becomes 3a3 plus 2a1 equal to 0. So using this, try to write a3 in terms of a1, that is 3a3 is equal to minus 2a1. This implies a3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into a1. So this is the value of a3. And finally equate the coefficient of x raised to m. Now here this series, then this one, and this one, means 1 2 3 4. In all four series m starts from 2 to infinity, and here x raised to m common is, means we can combine this series, and if we take x raised to m common, equate with RHS, then we can write directly am plus 2 m plus 2 into m plus 1 minus am into this, means this can be written as am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1. This is the coefficient of x raised to m from first series. From second series, minus am m into m minus 1. Then from third series, minus am into m, and from fourth series plus 4am equal to 0. Using this we have to find recurrence relation. So how we write recurrence relation here? This can be written as am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1 minus here am into m square, this minus plus am into m minus am into m plus 4am equal to 0. So this am into m get cancelled, and this minus am m square plus 4am, from this we can take am common. So am plus 2 into m plus 2 m plus 1, and plus from these two terms if we take am common, then in bracket this 4 minus m square equal to 0. And therefore how we write here am plus 2? So am plus 2 is equal to minus time 4 minus m square, that can be written as m square minus 4, minus sign split किया तो m square minus 4 into am upon m plus 2 into m plus 1. So this is the required recurrence relation of given linear differential equation. Now we have to find the values of a4, a5, a6. So when we get a4 here, if you put m equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So if you put m equal to 2 here, then 2 plus 2 is 4. So a4 is equal to, or if we simplify here, this m square minus 4, we can write m minus 4 into m plus 4. M minus 2 into m plus 2. So m plus 2 get cancelled. So this is m minus 2 upon m plus 1 into am. Actually this is the recurrence relation. Am plus 2 is equal to m minus 2 upon m plus 1 into am. Now here if you put m equal to 2, then 2 minus 2 is 0. So a4 is 0. Then if you take m equal to 3, 3 plus 2 5, so a5 is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 3 plus 1 is 4 into a3. Now what is the value of a3? a3 is minus 2 by 3 a1. So this is equal to, means a3 is this minus 2 by 3 a1 put here. So this is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 2 by 3 a1, can be written as this 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6 a1. So a5 is minus 1 by 6 a1. Then if you put m equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So a6 is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 upon 5 into a4. But a4 is 0, so this is 0. Okay. Similarly, we can find a7, a8 and so on. And therefore, final solution of given linear differential equation is y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on. So put all values here. So this is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2. So what is the value of a2? A2 is minus 2a0 into x square plus a3. A3 is minus 2 by 3 a1 x cube plus so on. Now from this you can take a0 and a1 common. So if you take a0 common, then we will get 1 minus 2x square plus so on into a0, and from this we can take a1 common. So plus x minus 2 by 3 into x cube plus so on into a1. So this is the final solution of given linear differential equation. Now next problem is find the power series solution of 1 minus x square into y double dash minus 2xy dash plus 2y equal to 0 about x equal to 0. This problem is same as last problem जो हमने solve किया 1 minus x square into d2y by means y double dash right here d2y by dx square, this is dy by dx. Then take first check ordinary point, then take solution, find dy by dx d2y by dx square. After solving we will get answer this. Okay, then also you try this problem d2y by dx square plus xy equal to 0. This problem is same as last video, we already taken one problem. Okay, and this one is also same as this. So you try these three problems. Okay, if you have any doubt then comment on comment section or contact me personally. Thank you.